Nangamanari, welcome to Ask Aunty. Aunty Munya, a topic close to your heart, languages. With Aboriginal languages, are these mostly learned through speaking, or are they also documented? And this person is really worried about language being lost because it's not being documented.
And so we should be worried about losing them because we're losing something like 6,000 or 7,000 languages in the world, around the world, per day. So it is something to be concerned about. But look, traditionally, yes, Aboriginal languages were an oral thing, but now that we live in Australia today, modern day society with everything being written, there are now, and there have been languages that have been documented in writing. And I actually talk about that in my forthcoming book on Aboriginal languages, that there's one of the issues is applying an English alphabet to Aboriginal languages that don't necessarily reflect the sounds that are particular sounds of Indigenous languages. So there's problems with that. But more and more Aboriginal languages are being documented, but not without its challenges. So yes, they need to be documented. We need to do as much as we can to preserve as many Aboriginal languages as we can for the future generations of Australia.
And so excited for your book, Can You Speak Googabara, next year. Go well, and thank you for the question.